Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a simple web page to get Chris's new website started. He's already sent us everything he wants in it, and for this video you'll just need to download Adobe Dreamweaver onto your device. And this software is available for all of you guys through the student portal, and you can access it by logging into your Department of Education email. So when you've downloaded Dreamweaver, you just need to click on the link below to download the pre-made template to get you started. So assuming that you've all downloaded Dreamweaver by now, let's get started with making Chris's webpage. So let's start by going through some of the tags that Chris has requested in his webpage. He wants to change the header name, he wants to change the images for the title, start a navigation bar, place logo, add menu list prices, and add a video, and he wants to embed a map. So if you've had the ready-made template downloaded onto your device, it should look something like this once you've opened it up onto Dreamweaver. And for the first thing we're going to change the header name to Chris's Meals. And to do that, we have to use these top bits. So if you click on this, it just gives you access only to the code, and this one is the one that we're going to use, and it splits it up, so half of it is live mode, so this is the actual website and this is the code behind it. So we have to scroll all the way up to the top, and we should go to title. The title, you can't actually see it on this one, but once you open it up on Chrome, you will see that it says Delicious. That is the title. And so basically we want to change that from that to Chris's Meals. And to do that, we have to start by going to the very beginning of the code where it says title, and the title is the header, and you just change it to Chris's Meals. And then you press Ctrl S to save it, and then you will see that it will have changed if you go back in and open it on Chrome. Ta-da! It says Chris's Meals, and it obviously updated on its own for the other one as well. So now let's move on to the next step, where Chris has requested us to put in an embedded map onto his website of his store location. And to do that, we're going to start off by putting two div signs so that we can put the map there. And Google actually has an option where if you search for the place on the map, you press the button share, and then you press embed a map, and then you can actually embed whatever map you want, like whatever size. So you can choose small, medium, or large, and you can also customize your own size according to the pixels, so width and height. And for this purpose, we're just going to pick medium, and we're going to copy code, and we are going to paste it in the middle of the two signs, and then Ctrl S to save it. And once you open it up onto the website, you shall see it's an interactive map, so you can zoom in and just switch mode. It's basically the same as Google, but it's on his website. So once you've done that, let's move on to the next step, where Chris has requested us to put in a navigation bar. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we've already created a navigation bar for you. If you scroll into line 24, you should see that's where the code starts. And so we made it a side navigation bar, but you can change it to whatever placement you want. And if you open it up onto the website, you should see it pops up here, and we have About, Events, Menu, Book a Table, and for this tutorial we're going to show you how to add another one for his website. So we just do this, and I want to add a contacts. So we just type in what we want to appear on the website, and here this should actually link to a web page, and since we already have contacts, we're just going to write that in, and then Control S to save it. Then once you open it up onto Chris's Meals, you should see there's another thing on the navigation bar. So now that we've done that, let's move on to the next bit where Chris wants to add a video onto his website. So to do that, you're gonna start again by creating 2 div signs, and let's go to YouTube and find the clip that Chris wants to put. Again, you can put whatever clip you want, and you press share, and this works similar to adding a map. So you press embed and it has the code already set for you, and you just Control C all the code, and then you paste it in the middle of the 2, and then Control S to save it. And then once you open it up onto Chris's Meals, you should see it should pop up. So now let's look at how to insert an image into your HTML file, and to do that we can obviously write our own tags, but I'm going to show you a different way. So you press insert and press image, and then you pick the image that you want, and the thing basically does it for you once you press OK, and you got your image, and then Control S to save it, and then once you open it up you should see it has come up onto his website. So I hope everyone was able to make the web page, and if you have any major issues or questions, feel free to access our help page and contact the team for assistance. For those of you who were successful in creating Chris's web page, go ahead and attempt all the fun quizzes in the website and take a look at all the information provided on HTML.